Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Android Studio is a popular integrated development environment, IDE, for Android app development. While primarily used for Java and Kotlin development, it also supports plugins that extend its functionality. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a Python plugin for Android Studio using the Python API for Android Studio. Before we begin, make sure you have the following. Ensure that you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need to install the py4j library, which allows Python programs running in a Python interpreter to dynamically access Java objects in a Java virtual machine. You can install py4j using pip. If you haven't already, download and install Android Studio from the official website. Ensure that your project is configured to use Python as its scripting language. You can do this by modifying the project's build.gradle file. Now, let's create a simple Python script that interacts with Android Studio using the Python API. Save this Python file in your project directory. In your project's plugin.xml file, add the following configuration. Build your plugin by clicking on Build project. Once the build is successful, run your plugin by clicking on Run project. Once your plugin is running, open Android Studio and navigate to the toolbar or context menu where you registered your action. You should see the Say Hello option. Clicking on it should display a dialog with the message Hello, Python plugin. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a Python plugin for Android Studio using the Python API. You can extend this example by exploring more advanced features and functionalities provided by the Android Studio API and integrating them with your Python code. ChatGPT.